What if I told you there are real-life cheat codes for making people instantly like you? No manipulation, no sneaky tricks, just pure, science-backed psychology. Let's crack the social code. The mirroring technique. You know what's wild? Your brain still runs on ancient software, and one of its oldest social tricks is mirroring. When someone moves like you, talks like you, even gestures like you, your brain says, "Oh, yes, they're one of us." It's ancient. It's primal. It's how early humans decided who was friend or foe. But here's the key. Keep it subtle. Not full-on mimic mode or weird NPC energy, just a slight lean when they lean. A nod when they nod. Match their rhythm, not their words. You're not copying. You're sending a tiny signal. Next time you're talking to someone, try it. The yes ladder. You've got something you want to ask, right? Something big. And the last thing you want to hear is a flat-out no. It stings. So here's what you're going to do. You're not going to lead with your big ask. Never. You need to warm them up first. Think of it like this. You're just getting them used to agreeing with you. You start with something tiny. Something they can't possibly say no to. You could say, "Man, this week has been crazy, hasn't it?" They'll go, "Yeah, it really has. That's one yes." Then you hit them with another easy one. "Can you believe it's almost Friday?" "I know, right? That's yes number 2. What you're doing is simple. You're getting their brain into a yes rhythm. A little head nod here, a small agreement there. It's subtle. So when you finally ask for what you really want, their mind is already on your side. It's been traveling down a yes path with you the whole time. Saying yes again just feels natural.
The name effect.
You know your name is basically a superpower, right? When someone says it, your brain just lights up. It's an instant jolt of connection. But here's the thing. You have to be careful with it. Once or twice in a conversation is magic. Any more than that, and you start to sound like that pushy car salesman.
Hey, Marcus. Right, Marcus. Marcus, listen up, Marcus.
See what I mean? It just feels off. So the next time you're talking to someone, just drop their name once, maybe twice, and let a little bit of magic do the rest.